Hello everyone, here's my wife here and she's going to be making her Philippine style boiled clams recipe for you guys today. And she's going to walk y'all through it step by step. She's going to show you how to make it.
Yeah, this is already heat up na, the pan. So let's just put water. Just a little water. So maybe that's yeah,
Fourth a
half,
cup.
yeah. So there. And then this is 7 up. Oh, I forgot. Wait. I'm gonna get it here. And then we're gonna put this, the Sprite. So there.
Probably a half a can of Sprite.
Yeah. And then we put the ginger, and it's just slicing ginger. So there.
That's
Oh,
one stick of ginger sliced,
yeah.
peeled and sliced.
We're gonna put it on a boil, and then I washed the clams already. So there. And then we're gonna get the, what do you call that?
Peppercorns.
Peppercorns. So we're gonna put 7 pieces. I don't know. It's up to you guys. It's for taste lang naman. And then a little salt. Maybe for taste too. So there. So let's put it like a little boil lang. There, because it's starting to boil. Because the pan is hot. So let's put the clams. I'm gonna drain out all the waters. And then put our own clams. Oh, there. We only bought some few clams lang because we're not that ano kasi uh, we don't eat too much.
Yeah, and I'm not really a big fan of clams, so it's going to be mostly
Yeah.
her eating this. We got some shrimp that I do like that I'm going to be eating.
Yeah.
So you cook them till they bust open, I guess?
Yeah.
Yeah, they was closed, completely closed.
Yeah. So let's just wait. Maybe let's wait for like 10 minutes to let it, open up. Because if it needs opening.
So we're going to boil these for 10 minutes. We'll be right back with y'all. Y'all make sure to stay tuned. And we'll show y'all what it looks like whenever they're completely finished cooking. We might even do a taste test if we can.
Yeah.
But y'all stay tuned. We love y'all. We'll be right back.
Bye-bye.
All right, we're back, y'all. This is what it looks like after they're fully cooked. They have busted open.
So now let's turn off the heat. Wait, don't do that. Because it boils now for almost 10 minutes and it opens. There. Some people put vinegar to this dish, but I only put the Sprite. So there. That's all for this video.
I guess the vinegar is if you like it more sour. So if you like it a little bit more on the sour side, maybe add some vinegar to it. And she's not going to be able to do a taste test because this is still boiling hot, and it takes a long time for the shells to cool off.
Yeah.
So we're going to have to pass on the taste test for this video. But I hope y'all enjoyed it. This is her clam. Is this clams?
Yeah.
This is her garlic. No garlic?
No.
What are we making here again?
Babe, it's just a clams, boiled clams.
So this is her Philippine style boiled clam recipe. I hope y'all enjoyed it. We love y'all. God bless y'all. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next one.